Good evening, friends. I'm Nannakshi Swami here. I'm recording the live market and I have applied my favorite indicator, TWAP, as well as RSI. Today I'm going to tell early entry. People do mistake by doing an early entry will cost the traders very much. The reason for this I'm going to explain here. Here, what happened is in this Apple stock, it has gapped up and it has reached. By gapping up, now it is trading around 2.17 percentage. When it makes a 2.17 percentage, entering at this level after the first candle, it becomes very costly mistake. You should not enter. And also, see, okay. So if you think I'd mark the resistance here by seeing the TWAP levels. So this is the resistance and the area I've marked like a 238.5 like that. Okay, reset. I'm resetting it. And here what can be avoided is immediately after seeing the resistance, by seeing this red candle, amateurs press the candle, sell button. That is not right thing. It should have costed you very much because you could have stopped out. The reason for this is here the RSI made an high here and it did not come below this TWAP average price. There was not follow through in this candle. And you can clearly say the price came to the resistance level over here. It made a high of 238.25. That is the resistance area marked over here. Now correspondingly, when it is making an higher high, I am placing Alt V over here. You can see divergence in the price. And also TWAP average price is not at all increasing. So it has not plotted. Average price should have increased and moved higher. It has not plotted. And your price is making an higher high. And RSI is showing divergence. And RSI is in overbought condition. That is the reading is, what we are getting is around here 81.71. Now it is the right time to enter into the market. This is the costly mistake you will do. You should always wait. With the help of TWAP and RSI, you should get the confirmation to enter into the trade. Now, you can place a stop loss over here. You need to wait actually. Let the price come below the TWAP. RSI is showing divergence. Sometimes what happens, even though price comes down, it has not closed below this candle. This green candle, it has not closed. Now still 4 seconds left over here. It is coming down. You can take an aggressive entry, but better to wait. See, now all the TWAP is plotting, average price is plotting at the same level. If I place the cursor or TWAP is showing 237.38 and still the price is above the TWAP level, average price level. So you need to wait. Sometimes what happens, even though divergence is there, price will again tend to move higher. What happens is here, This is intraday level. Sometimes price will move like this. Even RSI also will move like this. And then price only entry confirmation. It is the first test, second test, and third failure. You need to get a confirmation. So sometimes this type of price action will be seen when you are in the 5-minute time frame. Now you see, let us wait and watch whether we are right. So market is in oversold condition and the ATR of that Apple price is almost reached its first one ATR. Now we are planning for sell entry, whether it is right or not. So if you would have entered, the traders, if you would have entered here, it would have led to a costly mistake in the market. Let us wait what happens to the price, because price has not closed below 237.4. Now it is trading around 237.63. The price is moving higher in this candle. It is a green candle. So let us check whether our observation is right or not. We should not be stopped out in our trading. Sometimes this type of price movement will happen. First test, second test, and third test failure, we can go for it. We'll wait. The price is moving higher. Let us check. Meanwhile, I'll show you in my PPT I recorded in the morning. If it is possible, I'll take it out and show it to you people, how the entry in Nifty and all those things. So we need to wait carefully. Let me reset the chart view. Okay. Let me zoom it out. I'm on the bar chart because bar chart sometimes it's giving me clear view. You can see average price TWAB. If I place the cursor, it is showing 237.37 and 237.50. So average price has increased, but they are at the same level. RSI has not crossed below this, its moving average. And price is above this green candle. There is no lower close. Sometimes what happens, the retest will be with the two candles also. Candle has not closed. 32 seconds are there. 30 seconds are there. Yes. Now some sort of red candle is forming, but still it is not a confirmation. But here we can see the price could not go up to this level. The price made an high. You can make out it is a lower high. I'll hide this RSI for a while, and you can utilize if you are confused with a trend direction helper. There is one indicator you can apply over here. This indicator will tell you mark the higher lows and higher high. It has formed an higher high and a higher low. Still there is no lower low or lower high formation. But it takes time. This indicator for plotting, it takes time. Okay, let me hide. And let me go back to the RSI. He will not let me to use this. Yes. Now RSI, even though this candle is showing RSI is trending down. The reading is 69.38. Let us check whether there is any strength in the RSI. This is the last retest candle. Sometimes what happens, always, sometimes when this candle, this is a liquidity sweep, the people who enter into the trade will keep the stop loss. Sometimes price will go beyond this level. It will not cross this level, but it will cross above this red candle to sweep the liquidity. Stop loss hunting will take place in that area. Let us see what is happening over here. See, till now your trade is not triggered. Do not do this costly mistake by entering early. These are the early mistakes what the traders will do. Only patience pays. Always patience pays. Let us check what is going to happen. There is 2.5 minutes left in the market. RSI is not at all showing any strength. It's not increasing. See, it has fallen below this low. It is making a lower low. You can see low high, lower high, and lower low, right? You can identify lower low and lower high even in the RSI. Price is moving higher. Probably it may sweep this liquidity, creating panic in the market. So that's why there was no confirmation. TWAP, there was no reading below the TWAP. TWAP is at the same price. Average price are clustered together, right? Let it go. Let it wait. Sometimes price will also move above this level and snap back to sweep the liquidity. But the RSI will not move at all. You need to observe very carefully. Still, trade if you want to go short, it has not triggered now. A reversal trade. Because if the market gaps up and moves so swiftly within first 5 minutes, this much you cannot enter. After this, you can see hardly from 236.85, the market has gone to 2 rupees. That's it. Yes. Price is moving to this. What is the high of this candle? 237.87, and price moved above this 237.90. You can see the reading over there. One more candle has formed. Let us wait. You can see there is bend in the RSI. RSI is not supporting. So even though if you see divergence, you need to wait. Why you need to wait? Because the market has moved so swiftly to this high. The space has been covered so swiftly, so it takes time. So minimum market price will go sideways. So it has gone sideways. It clearly indicates the range. price has moved above this average price. Average price TWAP is not at all indicating any increase in the average price. It is not plotting anything. That means it is in the range. Price is just moving above the average price, but it is not confirmation. So if you would have taken position here, you would have lost money. This is the early entry thing. It could have made you to lose money. So if patience always wins, you need to wait patiently to take the trade. Let us check. RSI is not at all showing making an higher high, even though price is moving higher than this level, right? Let us wait. Let us, for the third time, this is the first time, first high, second high, and we need to see for the third time retest. This is the retest in the market. If there is failure and a red candle forms to the downside, then it is a confirmation. So do not do any early entry mistake in the market by seeing the resistance or anything. You need to wait for that. So I'm going to record till whether my analysis is correct or not. I'll wait for that and I'll close this one live recording. And this is an video for you people how early entry will cost you so much. Why traders will fail in their intraday trade. Hurrying themselves by seeing see here it showed, it came down, but it not close here. See, it penetrated below this red candle, below this green candle, but the close is not there. You need to wait for the closure of this candle. Now it is showing signs of after the third attempt, this candle is unable to go past. Still 1 minute is there. Anything can happen. Now you can see RSI is approaching its moving average. Once it starts crossing below this moving average, that is confirmation. Though what our assumption for this trade is correct. Let us see. Let me record for another 5 to 10 minutes for the confirmation of the trade. This is my effort for you people to show that how early entry will cost you people. Traders, do not do this mistake. Everything should give you confirmation. Now RSI told me divergence, but I did not hurry. See, you can see the price moved higher above this level, sweeping the liquidity of this seller's liquidity. The market moved higher, sweeping the liquidity. Now it is coming. It has not closed. Now 6 seconds are there. It has closed. Average price TWAP is not plotting any higher price. Now it has plotted, average price has plotted, TWAP still above this. Okay. Now it has not, candle has not closed. You can see crossing of the RSI below its moving average, indicating weakness. But still what happens here is, it is an early entry. Why? Price action, price has not confirmed closure below this candle. It is moving very slowly, and Very beautiful RSI divergence indicated, but the entry you should have waited for it. Okay, it made a third attempt. If you are entering now, place the stop loss above this candle, above this red candle. You can take the trade. Sometimes even because price is going sideways, it takes time. Sometimes it takes time. How many minutes are over from this level? 5, 15 minutes, another 15 minutes to 15 minutes, and next 15 minutes is not closed. Still, it is not a confirmed signal. Price has not come down. Still, it is going up. Let us see what it does. Because average price is plotting higher than this. Till there is 2 minutes. So it made a threatening move to the upside, a green candle. Now it is coming down. Yes, this is how the price reacts in the live market. It made a green candle, red candle. And price is moving higher because still 2 minutes are there. You need to have a closing price. Price has to close. Because of the too much of high move, price is struggling. Only if the market gives you discount in intraday, when it comes near this, there is a gap. And in my previous video, I'd mentioned for the TWAP gap. There is gap in the average price that will help us. Usually market will come and try to test these gaps. These are the dynamic liquidity, which by observation of the TWAP gaps I had made video, you can also observe. So price is not at all coming down. It is still struggling to come down. Let us see what it does. Whether we will be stopped out or whether our assumption of price becoming weak is correct or not, right? So while trading in Nifty options or otherwise in Nifty, you need to be careful. This is the setup. We are getting overbought condition in RSI. RSI is showing divergence and TWAP is average price is plotting beneath the price here. The average price is not plotting near the close of this candle. It is plotting near the low of this candle. Still, there is strength. Okay. See how the entry. So we have not entered into the trade. Reason for that, you know this. Reason for this is there was no confirmed close below this green candle. Let us check when it is going to give us confirmation of the entry. Even though RSI showed divergence here, people do mistake by seeing the divergence, they will enter into the trade. So no entry till now. Sometimes what it does, price will move higher and snap back. I need to record for another. Okay, it is taking time because I've selected this setup. Usually, when it is in overbought or oversold condition, always you need to wait for minimum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles. That means 45 minutes is over now. So the momentum move was within 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 to 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, momentum swift. But the offloading of the shares will take time because it has moved so swiftly. You can see imbalance over here. It is an imbalance. The same thing is happening in our market also. Nifty, it is gradually coming because there was an imbalance created from the day of election day, June 4th. Market moved so swiftly. Now, market Nifty is coming down by part and it is torturing the traders. Let us see what is going to happen with this price. Whether our assumption is correct or whether we are going to go wrong. We have not taken the trade, right? Still, no trade has been initiated. Now, price is moving towards the high of this candle, 238.39. Now, the high is 238.33. Just see the reading. It is neck to neck. 238.33. If I mark the structure here, it's a deep down correction and peak high, and the price has moved here. Okay. See how the market traps. It has taken the liquidity of this seller as well as the buyer. Once it takes the liquidity, it is moving very swiftly. 12 minutes is there, 12 seconds is there, 8 seconds is there. Still, RSI, see the divergence now, it is a sort of price is struggling. Price is going sideways, coming down, moving high. Price is, so what the structure is making is, if I change it to line chart, step line, you can see this is the high, these are the steps, higher high, and this step you can see it has fallen below this. Okay, So it is showing some sort of weakness. The price is still struggling. Let me change it to the bar chart. Yes. Now the price is moving very swiftly because it has taken the liquidity, all those things. So this was the perfect entry, and you can see simultaneously the RSI has crossed below this, and also if I put a line, it has crossed below this level. Then when it has crossed below this level, definitely we can anticipate for a down move, and who knows, during the day it may give a proper entry for the people, traders, at a discounted price. It's a now price is coming down. Still 3 minutes are there. I'm taking pain to record this because it is time consuming. Usually in overbought or oversold condition, when this setup, you need patience. Do not make haste in your entry because early entry will cost you very much. See, price has not come below this level at all, this zone. See how the price is moving up and down, up and down. So, still, what happens, you can closely observe this. Still, this moving average, there is no bend in the moving average, right? There is no bend in the moving average, as well as there is no bend in the average weighted price. Average weighted price has not shown bend. That means still the price is not able to come down. So I'm showing you what happens in this type of setup. You need to wait. If you want to take a reversal trade, you need to patiently wait for the trade. Let me go to the oh, again it has come down. It has changed. Let me go to the Nifty meanwhile to show you in the evening. See, this was the price came down and same type of price action. Weighted average price stayed at the same level. That is an ulta of the Apple price action. This is at the bottom. When market has sold off so much, it has taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 1 hour for the price to consolidate. Meanwhile, you can see even though RSI climbed over here, it could not go to the 50 level. And it crossed over and it made higher low here. You can see higher low here. Even if I put a structural point, draw a structure for this. This is an higher low in the price action. Correspondingly, you are seeing RSI making higher low. It has not come down. So this is the confirmation. This is how you can enter into the trade. Apple is struggling. Still it is struggling. Now you are seeing a bend in RSI, RSI move 14 period moving average. Now you are seeing a bend in RSI 14 period moving average. Probably it may show downward move. It may struggle. It may go another 15 to 20 minutes. You can watch this after my video. Go to the Apple chart and watch this because it is taking lot of time, because this is what I wanted to say. Because when you are selecting this setup in an overbought condition or oversold condition, definitely you need to wait. You need to wait. It takes time for the reversal to set in. That is what the entire thing of my video. And you do not do this early entry mistakes, especially in this setup. Because overbought and oversold setups are very profitable, but it needs time. So do not do this mistake. It will cost you very much. Thank you very much, friends. Narnakshi Swami signing off.